All right, that is my guilty pleasure. It's Popeyes, and I love it, and I'm not ashamed of it because you can have it every now and then, but you shouldn't have it every night. Here's the deal. You don't want to gain weight over the holidays by eating that. I mean, it's good every now and then, but you want to have healthy food because healthy food is not only your investment in yourself now, it's not only the thing that you can empower yourself with now, it's for your future. That's why I like Modified Health, because during the holiday season, it's really easy for me to go to Popeyes. I get a little bit of interaction with my son there, but it's better when I can go to Modified Health. Why? This is food. In this case, it's minestrone with butternut squash, and it is delicious. 2 minutes from my refrigerator to here. Delicious food, low in sodium, and here's the best deal. 50% off for the Black Friday sale. This is the only company that I allow to sponsor me, and they sponsor my podcast. So if you want a good deal, if you want to try out something to see if this might help you in your future to eat better, look at Modified Health for this series of Mediterranean diet foods, as well as those of you who are on a FODMAP diet. Link is in my bio, 50% off.